Hi there, my name's Josh. I'm going to help you show you how to use the Q-SYS Lua script deploy VSCode extension that I've just released. So as you can see here, we've got VSCode open on the right and Q-SYS Designer on the left. We're going to go ahead and just search Q-SYS and it comes up here. I've already got it installed, but you can install it using this. I'm actually going to take a copy of the sample settings JSON, and then I've got a folder here which has got nothing in it, so we're going to create a new script. We'll call it test script.lua. Then we'll create a .vscode/settings.json file. We can paste our settings into there. I've already got a designer emulation which I'm going to use for this tutorial, so we'll leave that there. We will change that. You can use subfolders and such as well in here, so we'll change this to test script.lua. Get rid of that core which doesn't exist for me, and we'll leave that one there. So that's just set to my localhost loopback address. Right, so over here in my designer we've got a couple of components, and if this ever opens, here we go. So what we need is the script access name, the code name, and we make sure that script access is set to all or external, otherwise this will not work. So as you can see, all three of these have set the script access to either one of those. Now this extension works with the text controller, which is kind of the modern scripting component, the script control v2, and also the older scriptable controls. There is no reason why it technically won't work with the UCI script. I just have not. I've hard-coded a bunch of kind of acceptable components that we can push script into, and I didn't think of that. So I'll update that and make that one of them. There's actually no reason why we can't push script code into a block controller as well. But I don't know why you would ever do that, and it kind of overwrites your blocks Lua kind of translation. So anyway, what we'll do is we'll take the code name from there, stick it in here. This is just a list of all the components that you want to push this file into. So you could have, make sure we put some quotes around that. You could have one or many cores, or one or many instances of Q-SYS Designer in emulation running, and as long as you can define them all here and access them over your network, then you can have this file path, this Lua file, pushed to as many components as you want on each of those cores. So I've only tested this up to, I think, 3 cores at a time with about maybe 10 components each core, and it seemed to work just fine. So anyway, we'll save that. Then we'll go back here, write our cool script. So let's go print, this is my script. Save that. Now we want to make sure we're over here and emulating. So let's do that. And as you can see, there's nothing in my scripts boxes there. But if we go Control Alt D for deploy, tick all. You can, if you have more than one core, they'll show up here. You can just select all, and again, if you've got more than one component for those cores, you can select all and then hit OK, and there, 1, 2, 3, there they all are. So that's really all there is to it. The VSCode Extension is still in pretty early days. Let's call it still a beta. There's still plenty of things that I probably haven't tested it with. So welcome your feedback, and hopefully together we can make it really super awesome. Awesome, guys. Alright, thanks for listening.